2021 cold steel knives. Let's see what they're all about. This is what I got, some of them from their website. This one is Click and Cut Hunting Series. I showed you quite a few of this kind of knives. They're still making them. Wow, that is a reflective, really bright handle in case you drop it. That way easy to find it. Okay, that is super easy. Okay, let's take this one out. Wow, that's kind of hard to pull it out, that's for sure. That's what happens whenever you buy cheaper knives. It is little things like that. Wow, that's dirty. It's supposed to be brand new. Boom, there you go. This one is more like a razor. So that is really easy to click and lock. Wow, for sure, super easy. And then your skin over here. Oh, wrong way. Sits in there pretty nice. Okay, if you look at it, it is a bit wiggly. But what do you expect on a cheap knives like that? So Cold Steel makes a lot of cheap knives, a lot of expensive ones. This one just feels like a really cheap knife, like $5 knife. But obviously it's a little bit more than that. Anyways, hopefully next one's a little bit better. Double Safe Hunter. By the way, I did buy them from their website or eBay. So looks like there's a clip. Okay, that's safety. But you know, look at that safety. They calling it double safe. It still pulls out and pointy part is out here. So that's what happens with the cheap knives like that. They're just super wiggly, even though there's a safety engaged. You see? Okay. Open it, close it. I guess that's the idea of it, so that way whenever you hold it, if safety engaged, that's not going to close on you. So, but that's the idea of it, I guess. Double safety. So, but I kind of don't like it whenever you put safety right here, it still wiggles. What else we have here? I think I have a little bit better knives. You get what you pay for. This one right here, Ag15 Elite, is actually a really nice knife. The other stuff to me is more like a junk knives. Like you use it a couple of times and don't even sharpen them, throw them away. This one is awesome. I have showed you a unique folder like that long time ago with this kind of, you see, handle. It just breaks open the whole bridge over here. It is not a flipper, that's for sure, but it is really smooth. Look at that. I can open and close it with one hand. There you go, Cold Steel, Taiwan. And it tells you what kind of steel it is, I guess. That one I actually like a lot. It's comfortable, as you can see. It feels like it's an expensive knife, and it is not the cheapest knife out there. It's, I think, over $100 for sure. That's really nice. I really like the design, locking mechanism on it. Okay, then we have something funky over here. Look at that sword-like knife. Tile light, crease blade. Not a fan of these boxes. I really know to open them, but that's okay. Wow, interesting. So this is like a front flipper. Not really a flipper, but again, it's pretty smooth. It looks like a dagger, but it's only sharp on one edge. Okay, looks like there's a thumb opener. Wow, that was a little bit better. Tile light, Cold Steel. Look at that front flipper, it's big. Kinda have to give it a little shake, and check this out. It's like a thumb guard, I guess. I kinda don't like it whenever they make a dagger knife and one side is not really sharp. I mean, how else would you close it then? I like it. The thumb stud flicks it out really well. Right here, I kind of have to give it a little shake for it to close. That's a pretty nice, feels like high-end expensive knife. Versus this, whenever you hold it, you just feel to this knife is so cheap. Even the blade, it feels cheap. But yeah, then we get some even better knives. Let's see, this one is Tallwar Plain Edge. I really like cold steel ginormous knives. It's almost like machetes. Check this out. Look at that knife. This is huge. I recently reviewed the biggest knife they ever make. This right here like can grab onto the pocket and open. But look at that. That is like a mini machete. That's insane. Tallwar. What it says over here, S35 V end. That's a steel. Let's see if I can flick it out. That's nice. With my big hands, I guess it's possible. And you got right here a disc, thumb. Not every time it's gonna work. So, interesting knife, that's for sure. Is it a knife, machete, or mini sword? Let me know in comments below. Very comfortable, very unique. I like it. Ugh. Careful with those ones. Okay, and then we have Holdout 6-inch blade, plain edge. Wow, another big one. I honestly kind of fallen in love with the giant knives by Cold Steel. Soft clip. Look how big that is. Let's see. It's pretty easy to open, you see. There's a back lock again. Let's see if I can flick it out. Nope. There you go. And again, another, is that a knife or a sword? I kind of like it, how huge that is. 6 inches. And it's like a regular knife, almost like a cooking knife. But then you can hold it in the back like that. Just very unique. Whenever you're ready to put it away, boom. This is like a giant dagger. Safe way to open it slowly. Also, I think you could still flick it. I really like Cold Steel. Boom. Wow. It's so smooth. Obviously, closing it, probably good idea. Close it slow. Yeah, you gotta flick it a little bit and it's gonna open. Amazing. High quality knife for sure. I really like Cold Steel giant knives. They make some of the biggest knives out there. They make a lot of them too, the folding ones especially. Anyways, let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite. I think this one and this one, two of my most favorite. That's I'll never use, junk. But these more expensive knives, very nice quality, definitely use them.